Right, so our intermediate level is using parallel line relationships to find a missing angle, but we're going to solve an equation for x. And so we want to know the relationship between where our values are. So as we think about this angle, 7x minus 20, it's equal to this angle, which is also equal to the alternate interior, which is equal to the vertical. And so now we know based off of our markings that this angle 7x minus 20 is equal to 4x minus 16. And I needed to figure that out before I either set them equal to each other or added them together and equaled them to 180. So in this case, we know that they're equal, but they also could have been supplementary if we would have had them end up on the opposite side. And if they were supplementary, we would have added them together and set them equal to 180. But in this case, they're the same value. And so now we have just our normal equation. We set them equal to each other. We bring x's to one side. So we have 3x minus 20 is equal to 16. We're going to bring our numbers to the other side. So we get 3x is equal to 36. And then we're going to divide to get our value of x. And so when we divide by 3, we get our value of x, which is 12. It's asking us to find the value of x as well as your angle measures. And so as you find your angle measures, we're going to put the 12 in. So this is going to go 7 times 12 minus 20. Whoops. Don't need parentheses there. And so as we do that in our calculator, we are going to go 7 times 12 minus 20. So we've got 84 minus 20, which is going to give us 64. And so all of our green angles here are 64. And when we go to find our other side, remember that, again, this is a linear pair, so it has to add up to be 180. So if I do 180 minus 64, that's how we're going to get our values, all of our other values. So we need to remember that all of these angles are going to be equal to each other as well. And so if I do 180 minus 64, we get 116. And so all of our pink angles are going to be 116 degrees.